Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Podia is a versatile platform that enables users to create and sell digital products, online courses, memberships, and more. To make money on Podia, start by identifying your expertise or passion and crafting valuable digital products or educational content that resonate with your audience's needs. Utilize Podia's user-friendly interface to create your digital products or courses. Develop comprehensive online courses, downloadable resources, or membership packages using Podia's customizable templates and intuitive tools. Incorporate multimedia elements, such as videos, PDFs, quizzes, or webinars, to enhance the value and learning experience for your audience. Set up your storefront on Podia to showcase and sell your digital products. Create compelling sales pages, landing pages, or membership sites using Podia's customizable templates and branding options. Implement pricing strategies, discounts, or bundling options to attract customers and encourage sales. Market your products effectively using Podia's built-in marketing features. Leverage email marketing campaigns, drip sequences, or newsletters to reach your audience and nurture leads into customers. Promote your products through content marketing, social media, webinars, or collaborations to expand your reach and attract potential buyers. Engage with your audience consistently to build relationships and trust. Offer exceptional customer support, engage in community discussions, and provide ongoing value through updates or additional content. Collect feedback and reviews to improve your products and tailor your offerings to better meet your audience's needs. Success on Podia as a digital product creator involves creating valuable content, effective marketing strategies, ongoing engagement with your audience, and continuously improving your offerings. Focusing on delivering quality, building relationships, and refining your products based on customer feedback are key elements in generating revenue and growing your business on the platform.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.